I'm finna get my drink. I'm thirsty in the morning. Okay, yeah, it's over with, man. I'm gonna hit y'all up tomorrow or something, figure out something. In the new, huh?
What you posting on?
Lookout Racing. There you go. On YouTube. Alright. So I got some more subscribers. She said where I'm posting on. She wanted to see herself dance. Okay. Melissa Martinez, what you want? Melissa Martinez talking about, no, don't leave. They want to see me eat the tacos.
You like chicken, right?
Nah, I like beef.
I already got you chicken.
Damn, man.
4 tacos.
Man, I don't want no 4 chicken tacos.
Man, ungrateful ass.
I ain't ungrateful. Why I can't want what I want?
Cause I already ordered it.
I don't never even eat 4 tacos. I don't even eat 4 beef tacos. And then you gonna get you a quesadilla. That's what I want. You got a beef quesadilla, what I want.
I got 4, I got 8 tacos waiting.
Hey, let me get a drink, man. Pineapple, mango, and lemonade.
He said 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, right?
Dean said? Yeah, I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get it. Yeah. Do I got money? Oh, I was about to say, what you call it is? Who? DeMarcus Booze.
Tell him, let me get it now. So they don't have to warm it up.
Thank you. Let me
look out. Look out. You gonna give him a tip?
Yeah.
Hey, he gonna give you a tip.
You know. I'm my boy.
Here, bro.
I'll get him to you over here.
Okay, bet.
I'm plugged in. Yeah.
Hurry up, you're gonna.
What I'm gonna miss?
To jump for a bit.
What you getting on it?
Grilled onions and cilantro.
Yeah, me too.
Got the taco lady in the building, y'all. Cooking up them tacos, hot and fresh. Yeah. Come up here, get you some tacos, and put in QR code Lookout, and get you a discount. Yeah, discount code Lookout, 50% off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Joy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You gotta hurry up.
Oh, I still gotta hurry.
Dang, he can't even get his food.
The truck.
What truck?
God damn.
The truck.
What truck, man?
You gotta record, you can't eat.
Let me, here,
Yeah,
let
you
me
gotta get the
him.
truck.
I gotta get the truck, y'all. This my Lord of the Rings. Who gonna win, man, out of this truck? You over here got me recording it.
Over here in the truck. What's up? Someone said you was a
Man, he done made me come over.
Well, here you go.
I thought you said the truck was finna run the
I
vet.
don't know. I thought he was. I think he's running the Honda.
Man, you made me come all the way over here, man.
You're not gonna miss this. Look.
Oh, okay, let me see. Now I gotta record another race for him. Hey,
Yeah, he's running the.
man, the truck. You sure, man? Where I need to be? Man, my tacos getting cold, man. Man, my tacos getting cold, man. Well, I need to go with the truck. Hey, man.
We'll cover him up.
Okay.
Bring it over here and then you cover him up.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
All right.
I go with the truck.
Do I need to go with the truck or what? You keep
I
hollering
go
this
with the truck.
All right.
That's me.
Man, this truck better win, man. You done called me over here. They talking about you got OnlyFans. What?
What?
Do you got OnlyFans? No.
You got OnlyFans.
That's what I go with.
They talking about you always hollering let it eat, but you won't let me eat. They talking about where you get that hat from, man?
I got it at,
Ross.
no, I'm at the Academy Outdoors and Sports.
Sports and outdoor, the right stuff, the right price.
Yep.
Okay, Academy.
Yep.
Yeah.
How much?
Wow. They do look like somewhere out of Rouse.
Man, you done made my tacos get cold now, bro.
Come on!
Come on, man.
But yell at him. Yell at him.
You yell at them, man.
Come on!
Tell them to let it eat.
Let it eat!
Damn, I hope that worked.
Well, why not? I'm not gonna. I don't need theirs. Unless they give it to me.
Man, I'm waiting on this car, man. You been with the truck, right?
That's what I picked. What do you pick?
Man, I gotta go against you because you done made me come all the way over here. I'm going against you, man.
The truck had nitrous.
I wish. Oh, it do? Oh, shit. I heard.